Y'all check the vibes. We in Tulsa now. Y'all see it. See, that's a nice little building. Views from 1732. What it do? Slide through that section. Tulsa, comment down below. Whoever from Tulsa, comment down below. Let's cook. I see it though.
Yeah, 244.
We're taking the 244. Oklahoma City Jopper. Let's cook.
Use the right two lanes to take US 64 west and 1 exit towards Sand Springs. 244.
Yeah, this one we at.
Joplin, where we at?
Let's slide. Let's slide. What's going on over there? That buildings, whatever. Look old school. Look old.
Oklahoma State U? State University?
Go to the right, huh?
Yeah, to the right.
Yeah. What it say? That's an emergency room. I went to see medical room. Yeah. Vibes, see that swag on it. That swag on it. Let's slide. Yeah, it's whatever. Ain't downtown. This ain't that poppin'.
That looks nice tonight.
Nah.
Look at that building right there.
Where?
412, right?
Yeah, you going East 412, right?
Yeah. Or 412 West.
Yeah, West, I want to say.
West.
Yeah, we gotta go back to the tip.
Yeah, left lane. That building kind of like that one we got in LA.
What one?
That, wasn't it? I forget what it's called.
LA downtown getting lit now.
No, but that building right there.
We're going 412 West. Let's cook, y'all. Let's slide. Look what it say right there. Truck driver 25 miles an hour. You better slow that bad boy down, guys. It's a tip over sign. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, though. It kind of look like that, but I need to put some swag on Tulsa. See the drag? See that drag on it? Let's slide.
Thought I'd get y'all some time lapse. It's pretty over here. We don't come here often, you know. It's not our favorite. We don't like the 70 that much. But it is pretty.
Top Golf, y'all.
Top Golf from St. George.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah, they got a nice view.
Look at that. That's like a dust thing. But yeah, Top Golf. We've been to the one in Vegas. It's fire. If you know how to play golf, but we ain't even know how to play, so.
We got one by where we live, but that one don't. You can't see nothing.
So they give us a green light. Oh, they called us.
Oh, they called us in.
They got us. They got us today. This is our pre-pass, y'all. That go off, you gotta go in. See how we got a red light. It's cool though. We empty anyway, so it don't even matter.
Nah, we want the empty side.
Yeah. They ain't called us in, but we ain't been to Utah in a while though.
Wow.
It's been a minute. But it's cool. But anyway, Nation, we about to pull up on that young scale house. What is that? What did that say? Oh, that is A-Dot. This is Arizona. I always thought this was oh, that's yeah, that's Arizona. Dang, they got it. So who do you think they live at? In Utah?
Yeah.
Oh, I swear I thought this was Salt Lake. I thought this was Utah scale house. I know that was Utah scale house though for sure.
That's not Arizona.
Yeah, it's Arizona. Like, comment, subscribe, Nation. Let's go. Nation, see the vibes. 1732. Live. We over here in right before Baker, right after Baker, California. Time to switch hands. Tiny off on the ones and twos. Big tall back on that thing. Slide time. We got about another 100 miles to get back to the house. It's Monday, like at 7 in the afternoon, 7 at night, 6 at night. Let's see the vibes. Oh, what's that going on? What's that hanging out of there? It's empty. So we good. It was empty. Pose that on up. Y'all see the vibes. Do my little pre-trip inspection real quick. So this time to slide to the house. Get this bag, drop this bag off, get to the next one. Like abandoned market out here. Look at these ugly rims we got on this bad boy. Man, them things is ugly. God, that's looking bad outside. Yeah, you gotta catch these views, though. Let's catch these desert views. Y'all see the vibes. Nothing like mountain views, though. Nothing like Mountain View. What he doing? Like a crook. But yeah, I'm about to slide back to the front. About to get up out of here in a minute. Gotta catch this time lapse before we get to Rialto, California. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all see the vibes. Let's slide. Trucking views. I need to get a thumbnail too, by the way. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe, Nation. Like, comment, subscribe. lid on LGBA. That's it. About to drop that trailer. It's loaded up. Time to take it to the house, you know? You're gonna check us out real quick. Y'all see the vibes. Catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share. On the road to 500 subscribers. Let's go!